Hello everyone, this is Max from Divi websites, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the logo size in Divi theme builder. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, and if this video was helpful for you, feel free to leave your donations with a link under this video. Okay, so we have the default theme installed and there is theme builder, and you want to change this logo. How you can do it? There are a few cases how you can achieve your right size. So first, let's go to the WP admin, Divi, theme options, and check settings there. Let it load in. Okay, here is logo, and we can see there are no much sizes here. So let's upload some image to make it as logo. Of course, it will be random image, just like this. Okay, some random image, okay? Okay, it's uploading. So first we should check the theme customizer. We can go here from this place. Here is theme customizer, and from this place, appearance theme customizer. Okay, we uploaded logo. It's just some image. Never mind. Okay, let's go to customizer and check settings there. Okay, it's loading. Still loading. Okay, it's loaded, and let's check settings here. Here we can see image, it's pretty small, we want to make it bigger. So let's check the header and navigation settings, and let's check the options we have right here. Okay, we should go to the primary menu bar. And so customizer, header and navigation, primary menu bar, and there is logo max height, menu height, and basically you need to edit logo max height. So you can adjust the logo size by maximum height. So if I will make it bigger, it will become bigger. If I make it smaller, it will be smaller, obviously. So I will make it 100%, and now you can adjust the menu height, which is pixels. So if you adjust menu height, logo becomes even more bigger. So this is pixels, this is percents. So let's make menu 100% and logo like 90% of menu height. Okay, this is first case how you can edit your logo size. Other case is when you have, okay, I'll close it, don't save. Other case is when you have custom header, which created like this, Divi theme builder, and here you can have some custom header. At global header, I will build fast some custom header for you, so I will have where to work. Okay, it's loading. Okay, start building, discard and exit. Okay, closed. Okay, build from scratch, and let's build our header. Let's do menu. Okay, we have menu, and here we can add logo. So we add our logo, and here how looks our menu, which looks sucks. Okay, so we need to adjust our logo. In this case, if you have your header created like this, okay, we need to go to the design, go to the logo, and here should be, but not right there. So design and sizing. Let's check sizing. And there is logo max width. So basically, please don't use fixed width and fixed height. It will create responsive issues. To adjust your logo size, you should use pixels and logo max width. So let's do max width 200 pixels. And it became pretty good. If you want 300 pixels, okay. If you want 100 pixels, okay. Also, you can adjust by max height, so let's adjust it. Okay. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If not, feel free to leave me your requests in comments. I'll create a tutorial for you for free. If this video was helpful for you, feel free to leave some donations. And thanks for watching, and bye bye.